English to Pashto short sentences. I will come back. Zaba wapas rasham. Never come back. Hichari wapas maraza. A stone-hearted person. Sakhzade insan. He is a stone-hearted person. Haga yaw sakhzade insan de. A soft-hearted person. Naramzade insan. You are a soft-hearted person. Tayo naramzade insani. What a fragrance. Sakh kule buide. Speak bluntly. Kolao khabara kawa. Don't throw the garbage here. Dalta kachra mawartawa hai. Burn the garbage. Kachra waswazai. Why don't you eat something? Tasakhuri walina. Eat something. Sawakhura. Get out. Bahar wuza. Get out of here now. Was the designer wuza. Whose bag is this? Da basta da chada. This bag is mine. Da basta zamada. I have to buy something. Malara sa agastaldi. This note is stone. Da note siri shavede. Don't play with fire. The war sara labi makawa. Your clothes may catch fire. Sta jamu bandi war lage deshi. It's so dark. Sumrat yarada. I cannot see. Za nasham lidale. Why are you sitting? Tawali nasti. In the dark. Patiyara ke. Don't drag me. Ma mara kaga. Into your matter. Khpalo stunzuta. She started crying. Haga pajada shwa. You want to trap me. Tagwadi chi magir ki. Over there. Hagalta. Over here. Dalta. I gave him a tight slap. Ma hagala teza sapeda workla. Over this matter. Padi habara bandi. Don't gather here. Dalta ma ragwandi gai. Your wish is my command. Sta hukam pasar stargo. Admit your mistake. Pala galti wamana. You should admit your mistake. Talakh pala galti manal pakardi. Give me some time. Mala lagwaht raka. I will think of it. Zaba di baraki soch wakam. Don't argue. Bahas makawa. He stutters. Haga anhalidili habari kai. He swore. Haga qasam wahod. Be brave. Nar jodsha. Don't be hasty. Tadi makawa. Give me half. Nim mala raka. Read after me. Mapasi waya. Repeat after me. Manapas dohrawaha. Pull me up. Mabara rakaga. Ask yourself. The zanna tapos waka. Make her happy. Haga khoshalaka. Let it dry. Da wachedota prida. I did not get the chance. Mata muka melao nashwa. He talks too much. Haga diri habari kai. Stay close. Khwata usa. He snores. Haga haradale kai. eat something, څه وخوره. stop humming, ګورارې بند کا. he burped, هغه ډرقې وکو. think again, بیا سوچ وکا. save yourself, ځان بچ کا. start now, وس شروع کا. I overslept, زه ډیر اوده شوم. catch him, هغه راټینګ کا. tell me a thing, یو خبره هو وکا. everyone dreams, خوب هر څوک ویني. he escaped, هغه وتښتیدو. get upstairs, بره یې راوړه. stop interfering, مداخلت بند کا. start writing, لیکل شروع کا. stop writing, لیکل بند کا. he refused, هغه نامنظور کو. step aside, یو طرف ته شئ. who laughed, چا وخاندل. nobody laughed, هیچا ندی خاندلی. stop laughing, خاندل بند کا.